Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is nuisance. It's pronounced nuisance, and it is spelt N-U-I-S-A-N-C-E. Think new, spelt N-U, and then the word is, and then ants. Nuisance is a person or thing or circumstance that annoys or causes problems for you. For example, you could say, you're being a nuisance if your sibling or friend kept playing really loud music. Nuisance originated from Old French. The word originally meant harm, wrong, or damage. Nuisance's meaning softened over time to anything obnoxious such as bad smells, pests, or eyesores, and then finally into today's definition. Did you know that Tasmanian devils have recently returned to mainland Australia for the first time in 3,000 years? Tasmanian devils are a small carnivorous marsupial that used to only live on the small island of Tasmania. However, they are now being reintroduced to Australia. Whilst this is great news for the future of the species, the devils tend to eat small mammals and have been known to eat cattle and sheep. This makes them a huge nuisance to local Australian farmers. Nuisance is a noun and therefore refers to a person or thing. For example, you could say, my neighbour's dog is a nuisance. It is always barking. However, it doesn't have to just apply to living things. It can also be used to describe circumstances or items. You could say, I've forgotten my umbrella. What a nuisance. Nuisance is defined in the dictionary as a person, thing, or circumstance causing inconvenience or annoyance. Nuisance's synonyms include annoyance, irritation, inconvenience, and hassle. Antonyms include blessing, advantage, aid, convenience, and help. I hope you don't find listening to this podcast a nuisance. On the contrary, it's meant to be a helpful convenience. Have a top day, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.